Hello and welcome to my final project for full stack web development. I chose option number two, so I continued my midterm project to add a back-end functionality. The main feature being that when you refresh the page, the notes remain because the front end is connected to a server, which is connected to the MongoDB database. So if I add a note here, I add it, and then I refresh, note will remain, and I can do that again. Note, and stuff, add, refresh, the note is still there, both notes are still there. I can delete, refresh, and the note is still there. Also, if you try to add a note without a title or content, you'll get a little error message up here. Okay, now let's go look at the code. The front end, as I mentioned before, is pretty much the same, but I use this Axios module to help connect with the backend and the database. So yeah, just fetch the data. It's a function for fetching the data, which I call whenever I add a note or whenever I want to delete a note, because those are really the only two functionalities of the program. Um, so yeah, and this uses the asynchronous functions. Um, and then looking at the back end, this is the new stuff like we did in the last class. Just connecting to the database here, importing all the modules, and you can see the database is doing its work down here in the terminal, or the server is doing its work with the requests and responses. The new thing that I did pretty much that we didn't go over in class, or the videos from class, is creating the schema for the notes. Um, yeah, thank you for looking at my project, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday break. Thanks so much.